Hello everyone, welcome back to T's Family Channel. I am at Costco right now in Pearland. And let's see how's different Costco after the Texas winter storm. No cake. Usually it will be cookies and pies over here. It is empty. And behind you is usually a cake, birthday cake section. There's none either. So the bakery is shut down. And over here, the same thing. Usually it will be a place for croissant. And behind here is what? Bagels, brownies. So bakery product is closed. And with the meat department, there's no fresh meat. You know, this one, when the meat is in package like this, they have the preserve in here, so it's not as fresh as the one that is packed by just the food wrap, like something like this. See, this is fresh. So this is fresh. So they have seafood, but they don't have the meat. And the chicken is none. So it's not fully operate yet. See, there's no roastery chicken. So this is usually the area with the roastery chicken. None of them left. I mean, not none of them, but they not work. See, behind here is usually see, the scream cocktail. None of these is open. So they don't have it. Probably because sometimes the delivery cannot make it, you know. So that is the difference. Let's see, let's go into the milk area. Oh, wow, look at this. Let's go inside here. See? No milk. No fresh milk. No milk left. Wow. Let me grab this for my kids. So no milk and no egg. Usually in here will be egg and milk. None. Empty. Pretty much empty. Let's go over. See, as I expect, you know, no water left. No water. This area usually water, but none. It's just because the delivery to Texas is delayed. So that's probably the reason why, you know, they don't have in stock. Let's go to different area, like the food section. Let's go over there. Over here, not big of the difference because not a lot of people will need those things, you know. But let's see, go to the soft drink area. Gatorade is low in stock.
And whoever wants to sleep on the couch, they go on the couch and sleep.
I feel like people bring the big cart, but not a lot to buy. See the food area, cheese. Frappuccino, only 4 Ks left. Juice, none. Because a lot of people buying it, and the delivery cannot make it to Texas, you know. So there's a lot of things is low in stock. See, this is empty. Bacon, yeah, bacon is empty. Wow. See again, I didn't went out when Texas is shut down for the COVID-19 last year, so I can't compare. Oops. I can't compare from now to back then, you know. But it's a serious thing. Because I live in Minnesota for 15 years, so this is just normal to me. But and then I was lucky too. My house is just out of power for from 6 a.m. to about 2 p.m. on the same day. So I was out of power for like 8 hours, and that's it. But my friends was didn't have the power until noon the following day. So I was lucky. So nothing happened to us, you know. But I feel bad for the family that have their loved one passed away, and the house being damaged from the broken pipe. My aunt's house has the broken pipe too, but it's just outside, so it's not a major problem. But she didn't have water to use, and we were so lucky. Thanks God for that. But as you see, you know, after the winter storm hit Texas, not a lot of things was back in stock as normal. So it's just a quick video for you guys to see, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. I am now at HEB in Pearland. I want to buy white milk for my kids, but look at this. It's still empty. I should have grabbed 2 gallons of milk the other day, because now we just stopped at Costco, but none of the white milk left, and the same in here. Oh my Lord. Actually still have a lot, but no more milk. It's still empty. Yes. This is the sections for paper towel. Look at this. Completely empty. Completely. No white milk. Oh, yay, yay. And over the spread section, I just passed by. There's none of the bread left as well. It's pretty empty. This is on this HEB is on Business Center Drive in Pearland. Yes, Business Center Drive and Broadway in Pearland. And of course, water is completely empty. And today is the Sunday, the 21st of February. Alright, just addition to my Costco video. Thank you so much for watching again. And please stay safe and take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.